Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is now trading at a level of $39.05. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, we have seen gold has already made a half around $3059.86. Okay, and chances are high that if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see. As you can see, looking at this particular chart, we have seen again three green candles are forming, and I have told you that when there are three green candles are forming, chances are high we can see there is a probability that we can see a further upside movement. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, probability of going further upside is on a higher side, because if you look at this trend, we have seen, see, this is a U pattern is forming, after that a downfall, and I have clearly explained you that chances of going above a level of 2954 was there, and now the probability is that it has already touched a level of around 3059. Chances of going further upside will be there. So you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, that if the price keep moving above this level, trail your SL, okay, by $5 or $7 depending on the risk or quantity you are taking, and then you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if the price started falling below a level of around 3012, then we can see it can go further down, and from there a probability is that it can touch a level of 2958 after crossing a level of around 2987. Okay, and if the price keep moving above below this level, a further downfall we can see. But as of now, we can see there is three green candles are forming. Chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, now look, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com or mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, there is a clear pattern has formed, a U pattern was formed. Okay, and these are smaller patterns are formed. Okay, and the zone breakout happened at a level of around 2162. If you look at this trend, after that we have not seen that the price has gone down continuously, it is moving upside. Okay, if you look at this particular level and this level, see, in 2011 also we have seen the same level, and see, this is the level we have seen in 2024, but after that we have seen there is a continuous rise. Okay, see, if you look at this trend also, so the probability is high that if the price keep moving off this level, a further upside movement we can see in the price of gold. Okay, now chances of going further high we can see if the price, if we see a dollar index, because see, there are a lot of factors which are responsible for the price of gold. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, you will see how the price is affecting. Now let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, dollar index, after making a low of around 103.134, it formed a swing and now trading at a level of $103.950. Okay, and chances are high that if the price keep moving off this level, we can see it can touch a level of 104.6, and from there a level of $104.9. And once started going above this level, a probability of going towards 106.138 will be there, and once started going above this level, it will go above a level of $106.5, and then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and once started going above 106.5, a probability of going towards 107.2 we can see. Okay, now if the price start move above this level, we can see a further upside movement. But if the price didn't sustain this particular level, chances of going further low we can see. See, if the price didn't sustain, we will see this U pattern is formed, and chances of going towards 103.4 will be there, and from there a probability that 3.2, because this is already weak support, so chances are high the price will go below this level, and from there it will go directly towards $101.8, and from there a level of around 101.2. And if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of moving below a level of 100.1 is there, and if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 99.6 is there, and because this level is already being a weak support, so chances are high the price will move further low. Okay, so when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of gold will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will move up. Okay, now coming back on the price of gold, Okay, so you have to understand sometime what happened, they both moves in same direction. Okay, so whenever you start the trade, keep your SL, and once you start in profit, try to trail the SL, so your profit will be saved. Okay, now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, if we coming back on the gold price, see, if you look at this particular trend, chances are high that suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside, and yes, after that a probability is high it can touch a level of around $30.54, and once the price started going above this level, a further upside movement we can see towards $30.59. Okay, and then to a level of $30.70, to a level of $30.80, and to a level of $3100. Okay, and once the price started going above this level, probability of going towards 3120 will be there, and then a further upside. See, these are the levels you have to understand. Keep trailing your SL, trail your SL by 5, keep trailing your SL by $5 or $7, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But as I have already explained you that whenever it makes a new high, we have seen a good fall has come. Okay, so if the price started falling below this particular level, okay, so we can see a further downfall. So suppose if the price started forming a swing there, we can see the next support level coming at a level of around $30.05. If you look at this particular trend, we can see a level of $30.05, and once the price started falling below $30.05, probability of towards next level is $29.82. Okay, and if the price started falling below a level of $29.82, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $29.58. Okay, and suppose if the price started falling below $29.58, a further downfall we can see towards, and if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of going towards $29.34 is there. Suppose if the price started falling below $29.34, we will see a level of around $28.87, and once the price started falling below a level of $28.84, we can see a further downfall towards a level of $28.80. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of $28.59. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see, because see there is a 3 green candles are forming. So if the price started falling below $28.59, a further downfall we can see, because this from the 3 week we have seen the price has come to this level, so chances are high the price can touch a level of around $28.31 and then further low. So probability is high that if the price started going below a level of $29.53, then we can see a further downfall. So chances are high it can move towards $28.82 to a level of $28.61, and then towards a level of $28.38. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the